Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start with essentials. Inspect batteries, props, and frame. This prevents failures in the air. Power on the controller first, then the drone. Once done, watch LEDs and app status for GPS lock. Make sure your phone or tablet is connected to the controller via cable or Wi-Fi, and confirm firmware is current. Do this now because a skipped step can ground you later. Getting a solid connection and full charge saves time and reduces risk before takeoff. Now you calibrate and link. Calibrate the compass and IMU on a flat, metal-free surface because magnetics and offsets cause drift. Next, bind or verify the controller drone link, then test stick inputs while props are off to confirm correct axis movement. Once linked, set your flight mode, choose a safe return-to-home altitude, and limit max distance and speed in the app. These parameters prevent flyaways. Doing these middle steps ensures stable flight performance. You lift off gently. Hold a hover at 1 to 2 meters to confirm stability and satellite count. This proves your GPS and RTH are reliable. Once done, fly planned routes within line of sight and watch telemetry for battery percentage and signal bars. If you lose connection, the drone should automatically initiate return to home. If it drifts or behaves oddly, land immediately and recalibrate the compass/IMU. A key troubleshooting tip: if signal issues persist, move to open area, remove interference sources, and relink before flying again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.